Hi you guys, it's Pastor coming back to you with another freaking video. And today we will be talking about, hold on, this is a re-recorded intro because it was a lot of things that I missed 4 days ago that I really wanted to say in my intro, but I just didn't say it, so I am re-recording it. But anyways, this video is about introducing my 3 face cleansing kit to you. Now I am so excited to finally introduce this kit to y'all because this is a kit that I've been working on for 3 years, literally 3 years. Like, I have a video up called 10-day clear up or something like that. That video was from 3 years ago. And in a couple of months, I found the one missing ingredients that I was missing to bring this kit together. And honey, when I say it worked like magic, it worked like magic. Within 2 months, my face was clear. And I'm going to enter in a picture. That is how clear my face was. And the reason why my face is broken out now is because I intentionally broke out my face, because I wanted y'all to see my 3-step face cleansing kit work right in front of your eyes. Like, I wanted y'all to see that it works. So that is the reason why my face is re-broken out, but it was all clear, as y'all can tell from the pictures. But the one thing that I missed in my intro is letting y'all know that for you to completely heal your acne, you have to cleanse your body from the inside on out. You can't only just use face products to heal your acne. Yes, face products will, probably stop or slow down your acne from producing on your face or your body or whatever, but it would never completely just heal your acne by itself. So you have to listen to your body. You have to think about all the things that you're putting into your body, especially like foods. Dairy breaks out people's faces, and I'm not saying that's for all, but it does. Pop, juice, sugar, sweets, breaks out your face, helps your acne be. So once you stop doing all the things that cause acne and use my face cleansing kit, your face will be as clear as the picture that I posted. As that being said, don't all just depend on a face product to heal your acne. It's impossible. You have to cleanse your body. Cleaning your body means a lot. Not just about acne either. It helps with so much other things. But I'm not going to go in depth with that. But yeah, so what y'all are about to see is just me using my 3-step face cleansing kit. And I believe that I am showing you the products. And I'm just happy to finally show y'all this. I really am. And I want y'all to pay attention to how my face look now, because in the next video you see, that video was taken 4 days ago, and my face looked totally different from how it was 4 days ago because I've been using my face cleansing kit. But anyways, let's just get right into the video. When you're washing your face, you always want to start with clean hands, okay? So you always want to wash your hands. Clean hands. Now, as you got the water on your hands, all you want to do is take the same water that's on your hands and damp your face. Now, after you damped your face, all you want to do is take your face mask. It's going to come with a little brush. And all you want to do is just take some mask out. You don't need a lot. And start rubbing it on your face. Rub in circular motion. Do not put this on your eyebrows at all, okay? You can wash the mask off right now if you wanted to, but I'm not. I'm going to let this mask sit on my face for 15 minutes or until it get dry, probably in 10 minutes. But I'm going to let it sit on my face for 10 to 15 minutes, and then I'm going to come back to you and show you the next step. Okay, you guys, it's been exactly 10 minutes It's been exactly 10 minutes, and so I'm about to wash this off my face, and then I'm going to come back and show y'all the soap, the second step. I'm going to come back and show y'all the second step. So you want to wash this off with warm water to open your pores. So this is my face. The mask, I don't know if it's completely cleaned off my face, but the mask don't have to be completely cleaned off your face because of the second step. Now remember I said that y'all, if y'all purchase from me, that y'all soap will come as a bar. So just imagine that this is a bar soap, and I'm just going to wet it while it's in my hand and rub my hands together so it can get soapy. Okay, next I'm going to take that and just rub it on my face. And you can decide to cut the bar up in like small chunks because this soap literally lasts forever. It would be impossible for you to use this soap up in a month of time. So once again, the point of the black soap is to clean up any bacteria or toxins you have in your pores, and you want to rub your face for 1 minute. I love the 1 minute rule because the 1 minute rule not only helps, your pores, well, not only helps all the debris that's in your pores loosen up, but it also helps circulation. Like, blood circulation is great for cleaning up your skin, and then it also helps break down the it also helps break down the dead skin you have on your face. So you want to rub your face for a complete 1 minute, and that's about it. And now I am done. I'm gonna wash this off my face. Now I'm gonna take my towel and slightly, you don't have to take a towel. You can take a napkin, you can take a t-shirt, you can take whatever you want to clean off the excess water. Whew. Now, as you can see, I have a nice natural glow, okay? Nice and natural. Now, at this point, you will want to, hold on. At this point, you will want to add the cream to your face. You want to add this cream to your face. And like I said, all I'm going to do is take a little bit of the cream, literally just this amount. And I'm going to apply this to my face. Now, what's in this cream is a miracle oil. That's not what I'm calling it, but everybody refer to this oil as a miracle oil when it comes to acne, hyperpigmentation, clearing up your face. This is a miracle oil that I have up inside the cream. Now, all you want to do is just take your mist and spray it on your face. This mist will close your pores. Now, you don't have to do this stuff. You don't have to do the mist stuff. But if you want to close your pores, like after you wash off the black soap, you will want to wash it off with cold waters and then apply the cream. Anyways, I hope y'all enjoyed this video. But yeah, so as you can see, after a minute, you will have this natural glow. It's not oily, it just looks like your natural glow. Now with this face mask, you will only want to use this mask 2 to 3 times a week. Do not try to use it every day, especially depending on your skin type. If you have sensitive skin, thin skin, you do not want to use this mask every day. Use it 1 to 2 times a week. But this mask is only meant to be used no more than 3 times a week, okay? But in between time, I use my face brush and my black soap, and I will do another video on that. But anyways, I hope y'all enjoy this little video, and the next clips will be the before and after. Okay, so once again, I took pictures for 7 days, and I decided to give y'all a 10-day update instead of a 7-day update. But honey, you would notice a difference. But anyways, peace out until next time.